Morning, welcome to the channel. Today, me and Tig are going to be, what are you walking around for? We're going to be fixing something on the van that's been needed fixing for...
Think.
a few months. What's happened is, when it was icy, the wife decided she'd try and wind the window down, and in doing so broke all the mechanism inside, so now the window is, it don't wind up or wind down. So we bought a new window winding mechanism.
I'm sorry, what are you talking about?
So that's what we're going to fit. So Ty's going to probably do the bit of filming while I do the work, and
I want to help you.
oh, Ty wants to help. That's even better. If Ty's helping, then it's a good thing. Woohoo! So we'll set the camera up, and well, I'll have to move van first so I can get to it. But then, yeah, let's fix this thing. All right, Ty. This is the window we're going to fix, and if you wait there, I'll show you what we've got. She nearly fell. Right, this is it. This is it.
I nearly fell.
Let's see what we've got. Let's get something to open it with. Here's the key.
That's a new window. I didn't know we bought a new window.
Right, on the one in the van, these clips here have snapped. So all this, you don't have to get that close. They're snapped, so everything is just broken. So we'll take the door panel off, and then we'll fit this new one, and yeah, we'll do that. Right, I'll get my toolbox. Right. Don't need a lot of tools to do this. You need
Can I
my
help?
van. Yeah, of course you can help.
Yes.
Phillips screwdriver and a socket.
Yeah.
I think it's either an 8mm or a 10mm socket.
I think I got that.
Which I left mine at work. So I'm hoping I've got something that'll do the job just as well.
Okay.
So if you come round here. Right, let's look at that. So you've got 3 bolts here, 1, 2 and 3. You've got one do them. You've got one in the middle there. You've got to take, on mine is not electric windows, so you've got a wind down window, so that pushes way over. In fact, hold that tiger.
It's only wind out because it's a van.
What do you do?
This kind of van.
That's it, that clips up. And then that
What?
falls on the floor.
I thought you just broke the GoPro for a second.
And then that clips off. And in there looks like an
What do you do with a
8 mil.
screwdriver?
I'm going to show you, Tag. That looks like I think it might be a 10mm bolt, which I might struggle to get off.
So I need to put
Right.
it in.
So, Tiggy, if you can
Yeah.
put the screwdriver in this hole here
Yeah.
and turn it other way around, that way around. Can you get it?
Yeah, I think it's in.
Right, unscrew that screw.
What do you mean?
There's a screw in there, you got to unscrew it.
How?
You want me to show you?
Like, just which way do I turn?
That way.
How am I even in it right? Huh? This is so confusing. Okay, I'm doing it.
Good lad.
Why is it so confusing?
I'm confused.
This normally so confusing, Dad.
It's not confusing, you just got to unscrew it. I'm going to show you.
I clearly can't do it.
Well, you take over the camera then and I'll have a go. We made a start. That one. Leave that in there. And then underneath here, what I used last time to get into this is a box spanner, 10mm, which fits in quite nice actually. So I'll just show you. That goes on there.
Tight, yeah!
Unscrew that. Same on the other side. And then in here, when you're taking the door card off, you've got your wires. So that just unclips. Easy. And that one-handedly. And that's it. So then we're left with this. So the speaker will have to come out, the window winder will have to come off, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, missing one, 5, 6 bolts to take off to get to the actual window, and then we'll have to unthread these, take these rubbers off as well, and yeah, we'll see how we go. Just pulls off. Right, battery's about to run out, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill these out while the battery's charging, and then hopefully by that time
It'll be charged
up enough to come back to recording. So
bye.
You won't miss anything, or not much
See
at least.
ya.
So it turns out that after a little bit of research, obviously that I didn't do to start with, is that you've got to take off the door handles. You take off the door handles, and to do that you need a special Torx bit screwdriver. This is Torx 20, and that goes in there, and you unscrew the handle. I don't know how much to do it by. And once you've taken the handle out, they can then undo these 2 bolts. Yeah. Never done this before. First time for me.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to judge me.
So when you undo that screw, you can then pull the lock out. That there. And then so that comes off there. One out. Hooray! Pull it off. There's like a little thing that
Think.
it's like a little bit of cord that fits in there, so when you pull the handle it opens the latch. So put that there. Put that there.
Oh, so this is
You got it. And that one's out. Pull it out, pull it out, pull it out. Yeah, and then do that one.
Come on! Teamwork makes the dream work, right guys?
That's it, that's out. Alright, that pull out. So it does come off. That's really annoying.
Ah, loser.
Why?
So I've had to take all that off. I didn't need to.
Oh, it's hilarious. What?
I'm like a crazy cameraman.
Don't do that.
That all comes off. Finally. And you can see, look at all this broken bits at the back.
Whoa.
Yeah, completely destroyed. Let's get the new one.
Can I go in and play Fall Guys now?
Compare. New one. Old one.
Well, the new one is way shinier and looks way better.
Ah. So just the reverse process of putting it all back together. So I can probably put this back on.
That looks so rusty and old.
The van's old though.
Yeah, we've had it for about like
Yeah, but we didn't get it new.
5 years.
Maybe.
No, definitely
No,
not.
4. I'd say
I'm
4.
8. Definitely not 5. Not definitely not 5 because I'm 8.
Right, Tiger.
Yes.
Those screws that you took off, we're going to put back on.
Can I?
Yes, if you put the camera up there, screw them on. That's it, that's the right way.
I know.
Teamwork! Teamwork! T-E-A-M! Teamwork! 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 You have a dream, you want to make it real. You need a team, working on steam to make your dream work. Teamwork!
Yeah, and do it with the one as well. So I've just put one screw in here just to hold it in place. I've put that back through.
Oh my God.
That still needs attaching, so I'm going to have to take that off again. That's to go in here. But I'm concerned I need to put this back together as well. So
That scares me.
I'll attach the electric side first and then I'll drop back onto that. Right, I don't know why. Oh well, I can guess why. I don't know why it took so long to locate this winder. But it's in now. But it's
Why did it take so long?
because I couldn't line it up.
Oh.
But if you see, it's actually probably the wrong model because that hole doesn't link up with that screw. But the moment of truth is, does it wind the window up and down?
Yes, it does.
I would say that's a bit loose. I would say that's quite successful.
Oh, that. Why are you so fast, Dad? What?
You gotta be.
Look at that.
When you go start working, lad, you can't be slow. When you start engineering,
I'm not an engineer.
what are you gonna be when you're older?
The Dad.
Yeah, but you still need to work. You gotta get a job. What do you gotta do for a job?
Be a boomerang player.
Yes, boomerang. It's one of my strengths.
Boomerang player. That sounds interesting. Door card on. Click that back on. Final touch is the window wiper. There we go. Clicked on. Done. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy.
Successful day. That's been too long. I'm glad to get that done. I'm going to tackle door handle on the other side next and see if I can fix that rather than have to buy new. But time to put the tools away and yeah, tackle other side. Also, got some oil. Got a bit of an oil leak with my van, so I've got to look after it a little bit. Put some oil in regular. Anyway, on to the next job. Please subscribe and click for notifications. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.